it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and I am so excited to bring you guys this latest video showcasing one of the events that I styled. So fun, so cute, and ever so girly. Let's just go right in and look at all of the beautiful details. I absolutely love the way it all came together. They always come together better than I expect. So I am gonna just give you guys just the rundown of everything. Let's just pan over. Absolutely love. So let's just start right here. We opted to do a long, I guess you would say the rectangle style or galley style table setting. And we kept the decor simple but girly and chic. The theme of this event is tutus and tiaras, and the color, as you can tell, is platinum blush and white. And we did pretty much each table setting the same. We have cute little, you've seen me use these, you guys, over and over again. The cute little vases with votive candle holders, I guess you would say, with some roses just simply placed in there. Just really, really cute. You've seen the table numbers. I love when I can make pieces and just use them, you know, over and over again in my different events. So absolutely love everything about this setup. So cute, so fun, so glam for a little princess to make her arrival. Just so very, very cute. Everything here is just styled to perfection. Absolutely love all of the tables. We wanted to keep everything low and simple because didn't want it to be a big fuss on the table settings, because we did go with the galley style. So you're limited on your, this is a good setup when you're limited on your space, but you want to get a maximum amount of guests in the room. We opted to do, again, the galley style. And in the middle table, we did something a little bit different. I'm not sure if I DIY'd these for you guys or not, but this was a really cute, fun, quick and easy DIY. It is nothing but more than a styrofoam base I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Hot glued some diamond wrap from Totally Dazzle and layered on the mirror. On top, we just have a, what they call a fish bowl. Just had some floating flowers in there, and there you have it. Really elegant, yet really simple at the same time. So very, very pretty. Love, 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 love. This is table 2. As you can tell, we did the same here, and we just layered a couple of the votives in with the roses there. So very pretty. Just making my way around the room, you guys. Here on this table, table 3, same thing. Just went ahead and styled the tables with the cutlery and dishes already in place. So loving everything. So let's get over here to a couple highlights of the space. I did my first balloon canopy. So cute. I wanted to just kind of give a little bit of glam to the sweet table or the cake table. And I felt that that would be a good way to add a little bit of dramatics over the table, was to add this cute little balloon canopy. We simply attached it to the board that is in the ceiling and use some glue dots to secure it to the wall, and there you have it. No damage to the space, yet it gives us the style design that we were choosing. So let's panel down, and how cute is this? I did a double tiered cupcake tower using some items that I already had, just repurposed. Beautiful little cake. They're so very cute and fitting, the tutus and tiaras. We did some candy bouquets with the pink suckers just to coordinate, and we did the same look on this side with the layered of just Dollar Tree plates and a couple of appetizer containers to layer it up, and voila. Now you guys, check this out. So cute, so fun. We did the stackable boxes using just regular gift wrapped from Hobby Lobby. And the letters came from Hobby Lobby, boxes from Walmart, and there you have it. Really cute idea for less than 20 bucks. Gives a lot of wow factor, a lot of bang for your buck. Oh, so cute. Spells out baby girl's name. She is baby Alea. So, so cute. And we just left some fun balloons down there just for the photo pictures, for the ops. And then over here, so in love. I've been wanting to try my hand at the balloon garlands and do some balloon styling. And you guys, so simple, so very simple, but I love the dramatics that it gives. We just did random colors of the pink or blush, platinum, and white. And there you have it, just oh so glam, but yet oh so simple. I love it, love it, love it. Here I have one of my my sequence, my large sequence tablecloths for the guests of honor, the mommy and daddy to be, on that little reserved table. And what tutus and tiara event will be complete without a tutu and tiara diaper cake. So very cute. I picked this little tiara up, you guys, from the Dollar Tree, and it was not like that when I purchased. It was like a purple and hot pink and just really cute, but not fitting to our style choice. So I just gave it a nice metallic spray paint, and voila. Absolutely love the way that turned out. So cute. You've seen the reserve signs. I've used them in several events, but everything is just so amazingly pretty. So, so pretty. But I wanted to just bring you guys just an overview of the space, and I'll pan out and let you guys see it once again. So excited for this shower to begin and welcome baby Alea into the world. This is very, very near and dear to me because this is my little great niece that is making her arrival. So it was an honor to style for baby girl. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the TMB family. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video, and connect with me. I am active on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So you know what I'm gonna say. Have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches. 5 days later, we received the sweetest Valentine's gift. TMB family, meet Alea Janae.